Welcome back to the Argovis tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore profile data. Profiles are these little yellow dots. They are bundles of temperature, pressure, and salinity measurements taken at this point along the top 2 kilometers of ocean. Each profile has a name, comprised of its platform or float number and its cycle number. As you have already seen, clicking a dot will pop up a dialog window showing the float's meta information. To view the profile data, click on the link to Profile Page, which will generate a new page. Let's see what this profile has to tell us. This page contains the profile meta information, shown in this table, along with some links to the official data source here. We will visit the platform page link in another video, and you can return to the main page here. Below that, we have 3 interactive charts: pressure versus temperature, pressure versus salinity, and temperature versus salinity. The charts are made with the Plotly library, which allows some interaction. Try playing around with different views yourself. Whoa! Where did my data go? Pressing this house icon resets the view if you get lost. There it is. I like this view, so I'm going to download it by clicking on this camera button. I can now add this profile to a scientific publication, a presentation, or to my scrapbook project. What's this button here? The data comprising these charts is available by clicking this button. The data used to create this page is all here. The JSON format keeps my data in these squiggly brackets. You can think of JSON as a bundle of key value items. The key is the name, and the value is the data. For example, station parameters is the key for a list of what this profile has measured, and measurements are the samples taken along the water column. Let's take a step back to the profile page. We can also download data by editing the URL up here. Page tells my app to send you HTML. If page isn't included, then Argovis will send you JSON. This is an example of how a RESTful app works. You don't have to know what that means. Just know that all of the routing can be done using the URL. And that allows access to the app without the need to point and click buttons manually. There. Now you know how to select, view, and access profile data. In the next video, we will look at all the profiles bundled together for a single float. I alluded to this when I mentioned the platform page button. I'll meet you there.